Agile coaching is a journey, not a destination. But how do you keep growing once you've started? The Agile Coaching Growth Wheel is your tool for ongoing development. In this final video, we'll show you how to use it to ensure you never stop evolving. The Agile Coaching Growth Wheel isn't just a tool for assessment, it's a roadmap for your long-term development. By regularly assessing your competencies and setting development goals, you can continue evolving and refining your skills. Here's how you can use the growth wheel to keep growing. 1. Self-assessment. Assess your current competencies. 2. Set development goals. Identify areas for growth. 3. Create an action plan. Take concrete steps to achieve your goals. 4. Apply and test skills. Use real-world scenarios to test your competencies. 5. Reflect and adapt. Continuously reflect on your progress and adjust. Set a recurring time for self-assessment and reflection. This could be weekly or monthly to keep track of your development and stay motivated. For additional resources and guidance on your continuous development, visit agilecoachinggrowthwheel.org to access tools, assessments, and more.